welcome back to Whiskey and Owl Hunter's Adventures. You see I went from the hammock to a tent. I'm doing a tent setup this weekend instead of a hammock. I'm at the local campground, Can Creek, Waxhaw, North Carolina. Got some stuff coming up this following week, so I didn't want to go too far away from the house. Stay tuned to that video and you guys will see what I'm talking about. We're going to be filming it. Owl Hunter's not with me tonight. She may join me tomorrow, she may not. It's like my last update video. The family was dealing with COVID. I am well clear of my COVID stage. No signs, no symptoms, no nothing. My quarantine's officially basically over. So Owl Hunter may join me tomorrow, she may not. All depends on how she feels. Make sure she's still symptom free and everything else. For the most part, COVID's cleared up out of my house. Everybody's all back on their feet, good to go. The official for the last person in my house to come off quarantine is the 23rd. I believe I talked about that in the update video. But so I'm at the local campground, Can Creek. There's a tent set up. I'll give you a little tour of the campground real quick. Got the fire pit over there. And because I'm not backpacking or nothing cheap, I'm cheating a little bit. The wife dropped me off a load of wood. So all I'm gonna do this weekend is do a little bit of camping on my own and some fishing down there at Can Creek. And that's the game plan. So stay tuned and I'll bring you back if I go fishing tonight. If not, when we get dinner going, we'll bring you all back. But whole venture tonight, this weekend, is just a camp. It's actually supposed to rain this weekend. I've been wanting to do a rain camp video. So why not this weekend? Temperatures are supposed to be in the low 70s for the highs, and then it gets down into the mid 50s to high or low 60s. So pretty good weekend for I guess winter rain weekend for camping. So hopefully we'll get some rain. If so, cool. If not, then oh well, who cares? All right, we'll holler at y'all in a little bit. What I'm doing is moving all my firewood underneath the picnic table here. So if it does rain, it's protected. I brought my gas system out here with me too, so if it ends up raining really hard and I can't have a fire to cook on, I still have a way to cook. And I brought a tarp to set up as well. But I'm not setting the tarp up unless I need it. No luck catching fish tonight. It's ain't a big deal. I don't want to lose daylight here, so we're gonna work our way back to campsite and get a fire going. Hopefully I can catch a fish and catch it on film this weekend. But no luck tonight. Of course, I didn't fish for about maybe 5 minutes or so, 10 minutes at best. I didn't fish long. I just want to throw a line or two in. no luck. I got one. No nibbles, no nothing. Thought I had a nibble, but I got snagged up. So let's go up here and get a fire going. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, so this is what we're starting the fire with. We're completely cheating. It's a fire log. Obviously, I'm not going to use the whole log. I'm just going to use a partial of it and seal it back up for another time. Maybe an eighth of the log was used, and that was it. The rest I'm gonna see. Log's still pretty big. Save the rest for either tomorrow morning, later, whatever. Take off now that it's breathing. Shouldn't take long. I think it'll get going. Then we can get dinner going. And dinner tonight is gonna be shredded chicken breast. I forgot my seasoning over there in my tent. Cold Mountain Dew. You guys always tell me here every time I walk to bring the Mountain Dew. It's another trip I brought it with me in. Again, I'm cheating. I'm at a campground, so I brought a cooler. It's got a bunch of Mountain Dew in it. Look at that fire taking off. That's what I'm talking about. All right, we'll tune back in with you shortly. Once we get the fire good, hot by the coals, and we get dinner going. We'll let y'all see dinner. But it's a beautiful, peaceful night out here. It's already getting pretty dark. Even though it doesn't look like it on film. Actually, it looks like it's pretty daylight still, but it is getting darker in the woods, though. Man, the camera makes it look like it's still daylight. I'm telling y'all, it is not this bright out. That's the camera working, doing its thing, making it that bright. All right, peace. We'll holler at you in a little bit. Yeah, fire. Bye. Oh, all right. Holler at you in a little bit, all right? Quick, easy meal that Owl Hunter and I found last year for camping. Sometimes we bring tortillas with us. Just make little tacos, but tonight I'm just going to be eating straight chicken with a fork. And I'm just put this on the fire because it's already pre-cooked until the water disappears, and then it's done. Kind of disappointing that it hasn't gotten cold out yet. That's a real winter camping. This time last year when I was camping, I was eating steak. I have a tendency to cook better meals when it's winter out. This is a pretty good meal itself though. Can't complain. Got my little pot holder with me this time. You guys normally always see me burn myself on every trip. I'm determined you're not going to see it this trip. Set that sizzle away and it's done. And all that water's gone and it'll be good and go. Good. Now I'll sit around by the fire and eat. Listen to music, call the wife. Oh, it's going to taste so good when it's ready. And dinner is ready. I'm just going to eat it right out of the cast iron. Now that's good. That's good eating. Real good eating. And then it's just shredded Tyson chicken with taco seasoning spread all over it. Cooked with water until the water disappears because the chicken's pre-cooked. Once the water's gone, the chicken's good to go. Sometimes we bring tortillas or whatever, but this time I just wanted straight chicken. This trip was hastily put together. But I'm gonna enjoy my meal. Call my wife. Sit by a fire and enjoy some music. I'll check back in with y'all once we check into the tent for the night before we start our movies. All right, y'all. I'm in the tent for the night. It is 10:38 at night. I just looked at the radar again. It's saying it's supposed to start raining around 6 o'clock in the morning and it'll rain till about 8:30, 9 o'clock, and it's supposed to die off until about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I looked at the actual radar. There's a little bit coming out of the Gulf. I just don't know if we're actually going to get any of that. But I'm no meteorologist, so we'll find out in the morning and tomorrow. I got oatmeal for breakfast, so I'll be getting up tomorrow morning and eat me some oatmeal and maybe sleep in if it is raining a little bit until the rain dies off around about 8:30, 9 o'clock, and then eat me some oatmeal, and then I'll go some fishing. But if it ends up staying clear all day, I'm going to have to call the wife up and see if she'll bring my canoe to me so I can actually go out on the lake. But outside of that, I'm just going to hang in here for about another 2 or 3 hours and watch some Netflix, and hopefully sleeping outside, the insomnia will go away and I can actually fall asleep. You know, I highly doubt it. Either way, I'm going to watch me some Netflix and relax in the tent for the rest of the night. And we'll see y'all in the morning for coffee time. Peace.